which is to be stopped from long long time. We are now going towards alkane. Alkane is one of the part of hydrocarbon. Alkane for 11 science. Myself Arun Bhange, Parvadi, Maharashtra. I am going to give an idea about preparation of alkane. How alkanes are prepared. It is unsaturated and saturated hydrocarbons are there. Hydrocarbon, which is defined as study of carbon and hydrogen. The compound consisting carbon and hydrogen is known as hydrocarbon. It is hydrocarbon. Carbon and hydrogen containing organic compound is hydrocarbon. And in this hydrocarbon, the single bonded hydrocarbon, the first hydrocarbon is methane, CH4. CH4, it is first hydrocarbon. You know that alkane having general formula CnH2n plus 2, that is CH4 C2H6. It is methane, ethane, propane C3H8, propane. Prop is a root word, eth is a root word, meth is a root word, and ane. Here methane is there. Such type of single bonded carbon containing compound, and this carbon is sp3 hybridized state. sp3 hybridized state in carbon gives 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. These 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals are directed towards 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron, and these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, they are directed towards 4 corners of a regular tetrahedron. Such type of figure is there. It is tetrahedron. Means each carbon in organic compound of alkane like this. Here sp3 number 1, sp3 number 2, sp3 number 3, sp3 number 4. These 4 sp3 hybrid orbital contains unpaired electron. These unpaired electron overlap with s orbital of hydrogen, s orbital of hydrogen, s orbital of hydrogen, s orbital of hydrogen. Such type of overlapping gives single bond, sigma bond, CH bond. It is the alkane. And now how it is prepared? The first preparation from unsaturated hydrocarbon. From unsaturated hydrocarbon means from alkene or alkyne. From alkene or alkyne means alkene means double bonded compound, alkyne means triple bonded compound. These are unsaturated. Example for alkene is CH2 double bond CH2, it is ethene, and CH triple bond CH, it is ethine or acetylene or ethine. With respect to this, how alkane is to be prepared? It is our first preparation. This preparation from unsaturated hydrocarbon, these unsaturated hydrocarbons are taken for this phenomenon. So we are going to this catalytic reduction of alkene. Example, catalytic reduction of catalytic reduction of ethene. Catalytic reduction of ethene. Ethene means double bonded carbon. This double bonded carbon ethene in the presence of platinum, palladium or palladium. This is the catalyst at high temperature. At high temperature, such type of CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. In the presence of these catalyst at high temperature, such type of reaction takes place. Across the double bond, this is HH bond, breaking of this bond takes place and breaking of this pi bond takes place. One H is added toward this side, another H is added toward this side, which gives CH3 bond CH3. It is ethene. Ethene on catalytic hydrogenation, catalytic reduction gives ethane. It is our first preparation. Okay, the double bonded, across the double bond, two hydrogen get adjusted toward this side and this side. Means pi bond, breaking of pi bond takes place. After breaking of pi bond, it gives such type of alkane. It is our first preparation. Okay. Then preparation, catalytic reduction of ethene. If triple bond is there, CH triple bond CH, it is ethyne, acetylene, ethyne. In this ethyne, the same reaction takes place two times. H2, the same PT or PD at high temperature. At first it is converted into CH2 double bond CH2. Here two pi bonds are there. One pi bond, breaking of one pi bond and attachment of one hydrogen here, it gives ethene. Again the same reaction get repeated. From ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, again the same reaction get repeated. H2, platinum or palladium catalyst at high temperature. It is to be heated, then it gives CH3 bond CH3, CH2 bonds double bond CH2, CH3 bond CH3. Such type of alkane, ethane is to be formed. It is our first example. You must take 3 carbon containing alkene, 4 carbon containing alkene. Means across the double bond you must add hydrogen here and here. When hydrogen get adjusted, breaking of pi bond takes place. Such type of alkane is formed. This is a type of, which type of alkene and alkane. Conversion of this from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is ethene and ethyne. Ethyne get converted into ethene and ethene get converted into ethane. It is a two-step reaction. It is one-step reaction. Okay, please note that. Preparation of alkane from unsaturated hydrocarbon. It is our first type of reaction. Yes, we are going towards next step. How this alkane is prepared from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide, how alkanes are prepared. Preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. From alkyl halide, how This it is our second preparation from alkyl halide, how alkanes are formed. Here also some type of reduction process is going on. You take any type of alkyl halide, it is CH3I. In the presence of zinc and HCl, zinc dust added in HCl, and zinc dust added in HCl, it gives the nascent hydrogen, this 2H, this hydrogen added to here, and it gives CH4 plus HI, CH4 plus HI. It is methyl iodide on reduction with respect to this zinc and HCl reagent. When zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives zinc chloride and H2. The freshly prepared hydrogen added to alkyl halide. The nascent hydrogen which is added to alkyl halide, which gives one hydrogen attaches to this carbon and another hydrogen gives halogen halide, hydrogen iodide, It is one of the process from alkyl halide, means reduction. This is the first from alkyl halide. This is reduction process with respect to zinc and HCl. Zinc and HCl reacts with each other, which gives zinc chloride, and this zinc chloride, some type of hydrogen, active hydrogen, which is to be released by this reaction, reacted with alkyl halide, gives alkyl. Yes? Any doubt? Okay. The same from alkyl halide, another reaction, this is A reaction, another reaction is B reaction. Preparation of alkane, the B reaction, B, by using active metal, by using active metal means when active metal reacts with alkyl halide, active metal, the most reactive active metal is sodium. Most reactive active metal is sodium, and alkyl halide, you take this type of alkyl halide, CH3Br plus sodium plus again another molecule of this alkyl halide, CH3BrCH3, 2 molecules of this and 2 molecules of sodium. It is, the solvent is ether. Ether is the solvent, because in water such type of reaction cannot take place. Water and sodium, they are not combined with each other. When combination, it is not a stable part. H2 gas धमाका हो जाएगा, धमाका. Water अगर लोगे ना तो sodium and water hate themselves. This CH3Br and CH3Br reacts with sodium metal. It gives CH3 bond CH3 plus 2 NaBr. It means one Br from this alkyl halide, another Br from this alkyl halide, they combine with each other, which gives 2 NaBr. It is ethane, formation of ethane, and such type of reaction is Wurtz reaction. आप जो भी alkyl halide लोगे ना, CH3Br, C2H5Br, if you are taking C2H5Br, then it gives butane. It means active metal. When active metal reacts with this ether, which is dry ether is there, without any type of water, dry ether is an important part. This, suppose in another word, if two alkyl halides are different, then alkanes are formed, but mixture of alkane is formed, not a single alkane. Two alkyl halides, suppose this Ward's reaction takes place like this: CH3Br plus same 2Na plus you are taking C2H5Br, means one molecule of ethyl bromide and methyl bromide. Ethyl bromide and methyl bromide reacts with each other. This type of mixed Ward's reaction with mixed alkyl halide. Then this reaction takes place with mixture of alkanes. The chain, this CH3 connects with similar CH3. First product is ethane. ये CH3 अपने आप CH3 से जुड़ जाएगा तो CH3 इथेन बनेगा. Then C2H5 connects with C2H5 which gives butane. C2H5 connects with C2H5 which gives butane, and the CH3 connects with self attachment. इसको बोलोगे आप self attachment C2H5. It gives propane. Mean if you are taking two different alkyl halides with this sodium, it gives such type of mixture of alkane. Mixture of alkanes are formed. Self attachment takes place. They connect with each other. Means this is Ward's reaction. Simple alkyl halide. If two molecules of same alkyl halide gives that type of, suppose you are taking C2H5Br, it gives C2H5 bond C2H5. C2H5 bond C2H5 का मतलब होता है butane. Alkyl halide, from alkyl halide it is B reaction with respect to active metal. Okay, clear है? Then we are going towards another part. Same, alkyl halide is an important part. C reaction. We are going towards C reaction. Third reaction आपके सामने आएगा. The third reaction is by using Grignard reagent. See, by using Grignard reagent. It is Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent is known as RMGX. Means alkyl magnesium halide. This Grignard reagent is also known as organometallic compound. This Grignard reagent is prepared by this method. The first step, you are taking any type of alkyl halide. You take this alkyl halide because our aim is that from alkyl halide how alkane is formed. So you take alkyl halide, reacts with active metal Mg. Mg is also a type of active metal. So in the presence of dry ether, it is to be heated by Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is very useful reagent which is used for different types of chemical reaction in 11th science or 12th science. Grignard reagent is an important part. Grignard reagent के सिवा हम reaction कुछ नहीं कर सकते. This reagent is very important reagent. When Rx plus Mg, RMGX, it is one of the Grignard reagent. Or you are taking CH3Cl methyl chloride plus magnesium, dry ether. You are taking dry ether which gives CH3MgCl, methyl magnesium chloride. It is a Grignard reagent. Such type of Grignard reagent very actively reacts with water. ड्राई ईथर में जब CH3MgCl बनेगा ना, CH3MgCl जब बनेगा ना, तो एक्टिवली रिएक्ट्स विथ वाटर. CH3MgCl एक्टिवली रिएक्ट्स विथ वाटर it get hydrolyzed very quick, very fast reaction, active reaction. This type of reaction is very active in the presence of dry ether. When we add CH3MgCl plus H2O, this dry ether, but you are taking hydrolysis phenomenon. In this hydrolysis phenomenon, the CH4 is formed plus byproduct MgClOH. It is our byproduct. But methane is our main product. Our aim is that preparation of alkane from methane from methyl magnesium, methyl magnesium, methyl magnesium chloride. Methyl magnesium chloride, it is a Grignard reagent. Such type of Grignard reagent which is prepared from when active metal magnesium reacts with Rx, it is to be heated with respect to dry ether, which gives RMGCl, RMGX, CH3MgCl, CH3Cl, Mg, CH3MgCl. This CH3MgCl reacts with water, gives CH4. It is our third reaction from alkyl halide. First alkyl halide, hydrogenation or reduction in the presence of zinc and HCl. In the presence of zinc and HCl, alkyl halide converted into alkane. Second alkyl halide reaction, Wurtz reaction, reacts with metal. This alkyl halide is converted into alkane. Third reaction, by using Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is prepared from alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacts with Mg, gives RMgX, and RMgX or CH3MgCl heated with water, or it is to be hydrolyzed. After hydrolysis, it gives alkane. Okay, it is our second preparation. Please note that. So another preparations will be in another video. डायरेक्टली ऑब्जर्व करना है आपको सोचना है, लिखना है कौन सी रिएक्शंस कैसी होती है. आपको पहले उसका बेसिक पढ़ना है, फिर अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. कंटिन्यूसली ये चलेगा, आपके सामने आएगा, तो हम आगे चलेंगे. अगले वीडियो में मिलेंगे. फिर माई सेल्फ अरुण भांगी परभाई, क्लास केमिस्ट्री. ओके, थैंक यू.